In this video, I want to go over the student licensure and learning requirement for this course, or it's also known as SL&L. Under Module 0, you'll find 2 pages related to this SL&L. There's why student licensure and learning, SL&L, is required for some courses, and then here's more information about SL&L. Let's start with this page. So this part right here, it says that this is a requirement for all College of Business students and acts as a portfolio of your work while at Athens State. In every major, there are core business courses that are common regardless of the major. In these courses, such as this one, Marketing Principles and International Business, you have a paper of some type that is required to be submitted in SL&L. You will take a senior seminar course your last semester at Athens State, and all the required papers for each of these courses will have to be in SL&L for you to pass that course. So, from what I understand, it's not just marketing principles and international business. There are also a total of 6 classes or something like that. So, the main point is that you will need these papers submitted to this platform to pass that senior seminar course. And this happens to be one of those courses. The following page contains instructions on how to use this. There's that link there. And it's getting to the point where it's been a while, but there might still be some students who have already worked with LiveText, and LiveText was a previous generation of this current platform. But beginning spring 2022, we went from LiveText to this platform, and now to the current semester, this is what you're using. Fortunately, though, if even though it's not the same thing, if you have a license for LiveText, then you don't need to purchase a separate one for SL&L. And that's an important point because the other page that I pointed out, more information about SL&L, talks about the costs. So as of the time of this recording, it was for sale for $250 at the university bookstore. And there are links on here for you to take a look at. You could, for example, use financial aid to help cover the cost for this. And if I haven't already mentioned it in this video, because I think I just talked about having LiveText where you don't need to do that. So this is a requirement for several classes, right? Like marketing principles, international business, and then a few other classes. Well, you just need to purchase it once. So if you've already done it for a previous semester, then you don't need to worry about it this semester. Or if this is your first time using this for this course for this semester, and then you take another class where you have to do that, well, you don't have to worry about it. It's just a one-time purchase. And that's what this information is here telling you about that. And then here are the instructions on how to get set up. And the last thing that I want to talk about is clarify what this means. So, College of Business students, this requirement would be for those who are majors within the College of Business. So, if you're taking this class because you're minoring in something that requires this course, for example, the marketing minor, but you're a College of Education major, or you're a College of Arts and Sciences major, or you're in the individualized degree program, well, you don't have to worry about this part. Or if you're not in a degree program, perhaps you're just working on a certificate, for example, then this requirement doesn't apply to you also. Now, I said that was the last thing, but actually there's one more really important thing. In the course syllabus, I mentioned how at the end of the semester, assignment 9, so that'll be the paper that you submit to SL&L, it should be posted in Canvas and in Student Learning and Licensure by the due date listed in Canvas. So here's that thing that I just talked about, who this applies to. Here's the important part. Failure to submit your assignment 9 and SL&L by the posted due date, if you are required to do so, will result in a letter grade reduction of your final grade. Ouch, right? So please, if this applies to you, do not forget about submitting your paper that way.